first full day of witness testimony underway in the trial against Kevin Monahan.
Washington County man from Hebron was charged with second-degree murder of the shooting death of 20-year-old Kaylin Gillis last April.
Prosecutors starting to lay out their case today. News 10 ABC's Skylar Eagle spending the day in Washington County Court. She joins us live with the latest developments. Skylar?
Lydia and John, the prosecutors here are trying to paint a picture of exactly what happened on April 15th of last year. We're hearing from Jinx Monahan, that's Kevin Monahan's wife, for the first time since this shooting happened. She wasn't able to recall a lot of specific details about exactly what happened that night. Her testimony prompting a heated exchange in the courtroom earlier today. Monahan testified she was woken up by her husband and told to stay away from the windows, hide in the closet, and then heard 2 gunshots after her husband walked downstairs, but she did not recall if she was told those shots were fired by Monahan. She became emotional, recalling going downstairs to speak to police, being handcuffed and taken into custody. She told defense attorney Arthur Frost multiple times that she was afraid, saying, quote, "I didn't know what was happening. We were being invaded. I was petrified. I didn't know what to think." Her testimony prompted prosecutor Christian Morris to call Monahan a hostile witness, pointing to inconsistencies in her testimony and differences in her demeanor towards himself and Frost. Judge Adam Michelini granted that motion, calling Monahan's behavior and recollection in court odd, saying, quote, "I saw her today and it doesn't appear she has cognitive issues. It seems like slightness, elderly nature, and age turn on and off depending on what she wants to do." Earlier this afternoon, we heard from some of Monahan's neighbors who said they noticed multiple vehicles heading up the road, who heard gunshots within seconds of each other and saw the vehicles quickly rush back down, reporting what they saw to 911. We also heard from law enforcement officers who responded to Monahan's home after the shooting. They tell us that Monahan refused to step outside of his home to come and speak to police, and that trial is still going on right now. They are on break. I'll head back in right after this. We'll have the latest on air and online. For now, reporting live in Washington County, Skylar Eagle, News 10 ABC.